Welcome class 7. Today we will learn how to write a good paragraph. A good paragraph is a group of some sentences written on one topic and connected with each other in a logical sequence. It can be a short or a long paragraph. We should take care of word limit. It has a beginning, a middle, and an end. It can be written to describe a person, a place, a thing, or an event. It can be written to express some reflection or thought. Students, these are basic features of a good paragraph. We start with topic, write the title, then we open a paragraph with topic sentence, that is introduction of the paragraph. Then we support our topic sentence with our supporting ideas or sentences. Then we add details to it. And lastly, with the last sentence, we conclude a paragraph. So, how to write a good paragraph? When you start the first sentence, leave about one or two word space as an indent of the paragraph. Use capital letter at the beginning of every sentence. Put full stop at the end of every sentence. And write your paragraph sentences all together. Do not use points 1, 2, or 3 as on as you used to write in your primary classes. So these mistakes are generally committed by the students while writing a paragraph. They forget even putting capital letters and full stop, and they start with their points. Use of tense and verb while writing on a person, a place, a thing, or a thought or reflection. We use simple present tense, verb first form with s or es when writing in negatives. Do not, does not, verb first form. See, in what conditions or why we use simple present tense. These are some examples of simple present tense or verbs first form. See these 9 sentences. Here are some words in yellow color. All these words are verbs in first form. He is a very good friend. I am a very good player of cricket. So on. Use of possessive verbs has and have. Has and have mean to be owner of something. So in these 6 sentences, we have use of has and have, which shows that something is belonging to the something. I have a pet means I am the master of my pet, or this pet belongs to me. You write my father has a car means your father is the owner of a car, or a car, that car belongs to your father. This is the meaning of has and have, and these possessive verbs are used while writing such paragraphs. Then use of tense or verbs while writing on an event. An event is an happening which took place in past. So we describe such paragraphs in past tense. Simply verb second form. I participated in a group dance competition. This event took place, and you say participated, second form of participate. These are two paragraphs for you, the same topic, two writers writing differently. Which one is writing correctly? You see, the first writer is writing about his mother, and all the sentences they are about the mother. But writer 2, though starting with Mrs. Hemlata is my mother, but the other sentences they do not belong to the first sentence. So writer 1 is writing correctly. So we have first topic sentence, other sentences are supporting ideas and adding details, and last, I am very proud of my mother is a concluding sentence. See two more examples of paragraphs on trees and on the dog, and see the verbs also which are used here in these two paragraphs. So students, whatever we learn in the class, we cannot understand properly until we do practice, because practice makes a man perfect. So here I give you two topics, my father and my class teacher. I give you some hints. You should include the following information in your these paragraphs are these kinds of paragraphs on a person. You should write the name of the person. You open your paragraph with the name. You can say Mr. Ram Singh is my father, and start on writing his age, health, body build, personality, educational qualification, profession, working hours, nature, likes, dislikes, daily routine, why you have liked him, your wish, etc. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.